Yes, because we have different kind of vinegar, it can be a little bit confusing. Yes, if you are not familiar with using vinegar. So today I'm going to be showing you three types of vinegar. Mind you, we have different kind of vinegar, more than 20 types of vinegar. But I'm going to be showing you the three most used vinegar in the household, that the three most used vinegar in the household, and their uses, their content, how you can use them, and what you shouldn't be using it for. Okay, all right, let's dive into the video without further ado. Okay, if you are new to my channel, I say welcome, hello, bonjour, kujani, ekaro, ekas, ekale, sonu, kedu, wherever you are watching me from. I say welcome. I have my cleaning vinegar. It says all purpose cleaner. And I also have my distilled white vinegar. Then I have my apple cider vinegar. So we are going to be paying our attention on these three type of vinegar. Okay, so I'm going to be starting from the cleaning vinegar. I'm going to tell you what you need to know, everything you need to know about this vinegar. All right, it says cleaning vinegar, all purpose cleaner. Yes, that means this vinegar is specifically meant for cleaning. Okay, this vinegar is high in acid, and it contains ethanol or acetic acid. So in a layman's term, is alcohol. Okay, so this is high in acid. That is why it's basically meant for cleaning. Any type of cleaning, household cleaning, you can use this cleaning vinegar for it. It is very suitable for any household cleaning. So it says right here on the directions, it says it can be used. It says you can use it for kitchen cleaning, you can use it for bathroom cleaning, laundry. You can use it for any type of laundry in the house, and you can also use it for odor remover. So it's good for, if you want to clean odor in your bathroom, your kitchen, your refrigerator. And you can also use it for equipment cleaning, but make sure you dilute it with water. You don't want to use your vinegar directly like that, so make sure it's diluted with water. Like the direction says here, it says always dilute half cup of this product with a gallon of water prior to use. So always dilute it, and when using it for any type of cleaning. So I hope you got that. The next one, which is distilled white vinegar. So there's a little bit of similarities between these two vinegars, because both of them can be consumed. Okay, that means you can use it to make your food, or you can drink it for health benefit. So I'm going to pay attention on this first. So I'm going to concentrate on this first so that we don't get it mixed. I hope you understand, so that you can understand it properly. And if you have any question I didn't answer in this video, just leave a comment below, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as I receive your message. So distilled white vinegar, it contains 5% acidity. That means this vinegar contains 95% of water and 5% acid. Okay, so the main contaminant here in this vinegar is water. So that's why it's suitable for for making food or for consumption. All right, let's come over here to the ingredient. This is made out of distilled white vinegar diluted with water. Okay, I hope you can see it. It says distilled white vinegar diluted with water to 5% acidity. So this vinegar contains 95% water and 5% acidity, so you can use it to wash your vegetables. So the still white vinegar can be used for consumption. You can use it to wash your vegetables, you can use it to make your salad. I mean, I think you can even, I don't know if you can drink it. I don't drink it, but I'm not sure. But you can also use it for some little cleaning around the kitchen. So it's very good and versatile. If you don't want something too harsh like the cleaning vinegar, you can go for this. This can be used to clean your refrigerator. You can use it to clean your kitchen countertop, your stove, and whatever cleaning you want to use it for in the house. Apple cider vinegar. Yeah, apple cider vinegar. See, your daily dose of wellness. This vinegar has tons of uses, tons of health benefit. It contains vitamin C, harmful bacteria. It may help lower blood sugar. It helps in weight loss, and it also helps to improve your heart health overall. So apple cider vinegar is very, very good. And I did a video on apple cider vinegar, how you can use it, how you can use this apple cider vinegar. I make a video on it. I'm going to put the link in the description below, and I'm going to also attach it somewhere on the screen as well. So go check that video out. $12, but this works. Like me, I'm a kind of person that doesn't like to take medicine. I don't like to take any kind of medicine at all, except for my women's vitamin. That's all I take. I don't like taking any medicine at all. Talk about it. But I'll prefer taking apple cider vinegar because it's just water, and I just dilute it with some water as well. It's made out of water. I don't like taking anything, capsule, chalk like that. I don't like it. So I rather prefer this. In the morning, I take apple cider vinegar. Is very cheap and it works like magic. So maybe you are wondering, oh, where can you get it in the store, or you are curious in buying it. This is your first time coming across apple cider vinegar and you don't know where to get it. Okay, I'm going to tell you how you can get it in the store. When you go in the store, any grocery store at all, these two right here, you can find them in the same aisle. Like when you go in at Walmart, you can find your apple cider vinegar in the dressing aisle or cooking oil area, where you can get your olive oil or your vegetable oil. That aisle, check out for your vinegar there. You're going to find both of them in the same aisle. Both of them used to be in the same aisle because they are for consumption, so you can easily find them there. And this one, the cleaning vinegar, can be found in the cleaning area, where you can get all your cleaning stuff like your laundry soap, your washing soap, in the aisle where you get your your cleaning stuff. That's where you can get your cleaning vinegar. Okay, so don't get it mixed up. This is going to be in different aisle, and these ones are also in different aisle. And this one is like $1 and some cent, probably $2 when I bought it, and this one is below $5 or $5 thereabout. And this one I think is $2 and some cent. So they are very, very cheap. They are not expensive. It's cost effective, and they all work like magic. They all work like magic. You don't need expensive cleaning solution in your house if you have vinegar. Ash that will do your body no good if you have apple cider vinegar. Okay, so keep this in mind. They works like magic. And if you want me to talk more about these vinegars, leave me a comment below and I'll surely respond. And I'm going to do a video on it as well if you want me to talk more on these vinegars. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.